Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this elf palette and how to put blush on for beginners. So keep on watching. So I'm re-recording this how to put blush on for beginners. I did it yesterday and somehow it got messed up. So I am going to be using this elf blush palette and the color Light. I picked it up at Target a while ago for $6. So I even looked it up online to make sure that it was still $6. So I'm going to take it out and get it out already. This is what it looks like, and I will insert all of the stuff I use and in the end of this video. So this is actually my second time doing it. Yesterday was my first time doing it, and I don't think I ever wore blush, maybe once when I was a little girl. I got into my mom's makeup, but I don't think I ever wore blush until yesterday when I was recording this video and somehow I got messed up. So let's get started. So I'm gonna try these two brushes, my Angle Contour Brush by Saucony Kesh and this little Etsy Mermaid one. It's like feathery. I'm gonna try it, and then this is what it looks like. I just showed you in the last slide. I'm gonna open it up, show you. Look how pretty those colors are. I chose the lighter colors because I do have vitiligo. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I do have vitiligo. This is my normal natural skin color. This is where I have the vitiligo. So I try to get my foundation and all my powders as close as I can get to my natural skin color. And as of yesterday when I did the video the first time, these really showed up. So I really like these. I would totally recommend that you go get them. So what I am going to do, try to not blind you with this mirror, is I'm just going to take my Saucony Kesh. Oh, I did the wrong color. Oops. I'm just blotting it out in the sink so I don't get wet. So it still has a little bit of pink. So I'm going to take a little tissue and wipe it off. See how much pink that is? It's really pretty and bright. Okay, now let's start over. So I'm going to be using this one right here. It's kind of like a peachy color. And this, I'm gonna mix, you can mix them together, but yesterday I just did this one. So I'm just gonna take this and see how pink that is. And then I'm going to bend down and I'm going to go from my temple right here across. You don't want to go down like this because that's what I did. You want to go to your nose and like that, make a circle, and it's called the apple. So this is the apple of your cheek, I guess. That's what I learned. So, see the difference? Like way different than this side. And if it's too bright, I learned that you can use loose powder, and that's what I did because it was a little bright and it toned it down quite a bit. So I'm just taking my loose powder, the LA Colors pressed powder, and I'm just going over it to show you guys. See how much lighter, like, toned down that is? Go. There is the first side. It's very pretty. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of my cheekbone. So this is like the temple from your ear down across. That's your cheekbone. Sorry if I look funny. But this right here is called, I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on, the apple, like the apple part of your skin. So it's like a circle, and an apple is a circle. I don't know, that's what I have learned. So I'm a beginner, even though I've just done this once before. So I'm right there with you. So if you have any tricks to putting on blush, or you want to comment, please comment down below. So I'm just doing this again. Same color. Just like that. And I'm going to tap the excess off because I got a little too much. And then just going to take it again. Go. And my brush is already angled. So I'm going to go down like this. Get it in a circle. And you want to smile, because I forgot to say that part. So I'm saying it now. You want to smile because when you smile, that's what people are going to see. Okay. It's a little bright, but I went clearly down like my cheekbone across, around, made like an apple circle thing. Now I'm going to take my powder brush, or loose powder by LA Colors. It's a pressed powder, and I'm just gonna go over it. And there you have it. I hope that you like this look. I hope that it was helpful for you. I am learning just the same as you are. So I will be back with the end result. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the e.l.f. Blush palette. How to put blush on for beginners. And I really like this palette. It is bright. My cheeks are rosy. It was only my second time doing it, and I am learning as I go. I have watched some videos on YouTube of others doing it too. So I am learning just like you are. I really like this palette. I am going to try the darker palette and see how it shows up on my skin. Maybe it's a little bit darker, but I hope that this video was helpful for you and you did get something out of it like I did. Please also don't forget to like this video, and please also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.